How would you describe in a few words your experience here in Romania?
Exciting. It's an exciting place to come visit. It's different than the United States. I came here 5 years ago and was so excited to come here to this country. I like to travel, and I'm also a huge fan of monster movies. So coming to the home of Dracula is a big deal. I know it's not a big deal to the folks here, but it is for somebody like me.
What's your opinion about the organization of this event here in Bucharest?
Well, when I was here before, the same organizers put on a course and I was the main speaker. And that's another reason I came back, because Alex and Dragos and his whole team were so wonderful. And I got to know them, and we traveled together, and they came to the United States to organize this meeting. And then also just a few months ago, Alex came to Michigan and visited me. So yeah, it's a pretty strong bond.
What about the expectations, your expectations?
Well, I've been to other WIOC meetings in the past as a speaker, and I would say that the lineup that they put together and the organization is as fine as anybody's ever done. It really is a great facility.
They made it better?
Yeah, I think so. The one in Japan I went to was fantastic, but I really like this one.
What has surprised you here?
Every time that I do something like this, it's the chance to meet a lot of friends I've met all over the world. And even though I don't get to see them that often, and we do now stay in touch on the internet, it's a different feeling to have these friends wherever you've been in the world. And you know that the minute you see them again, you're catching up back to where you were. It's just, that's the best part, is all the friends you make.
What about the audience, the participants?
It's nice for them to be able to see a lot of these different speakers with different viewpoints all in one location. That's fantastic. Certainly, it's a joy to get up and talk and have people want to hear you speak about a topic that you have a passion for. So obviously, we wouldn't have speakers if we didn't have an audience. Otherwise, we'd all be in school. And in effect, there's an educational value, and there's also, you have to make it somewhat entertaining. It has to be fun. Otherwise, this is a very dry subject. You know, people say you lecture on braces. That sounds really boring. So I just try to make it exciting for myself, and hopefully the audience likes that too.